Hello everyone, this is Amika Mahajan. Welcome to my channel. This video is focused on another application of total internal reflection, very important, that is totally reflecting prisms. Let's understand what do you mean by totally reflecting prism. Totally reflecting prism hota kya hai? Totally reflecting prism is a right angled isosceles glass prism. ये एक राइट एंगल्ड आइसोसेलेस ग्लास प्रिज्म होता है. Now look at this figure. What you find here? Here is right angled glass prism at point B. It is right angled. Angle A and angle C are 45 degree equal angles. जब दो एंगल इक्वल होते हैं तो आइसोसेलेस हो जाता है. So it is right angled isosceles glass prism. Now how it is known as totally reflecting prism. पहले तो हम ये अंडरस्टैंड करें कि इसमें टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन होगी. कब होगी? जब एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस क्या होगा? ग्रेटर देन क्रिटिकल एंगल. नाउ द क्रिटिकल एंगल फॉर ग्लास एयर बाउंड्री इज 42 degrees. That means when light has to fall at some face of this prism, it should fall at angle greater than critical angle. 42 एंगल से ज्यादा एंगल पे फॉल करेगा तो ही ये इंटरनली रिफ्लेक्ट होगा और ये प्रिज्म टोटली रिफ्लेक्टिंग प्रिज्म होगा. नाउ यहां पे क्या होगा? अब इस फिगर में देखिए, दिस रेज इंसिडेंट एट फेस ए बी एट एन एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस 45 degree which is greater than critical angle. So it is totally internally reflected. Similarly, you can check this diagram. This ray when falls at face AC at an angle of incidence 45 degree greater than critical angle. Critical angle is 42 degree. It is internally reflected. Similarly, in this case also, here the rays falling. Check this. Rays falling at face AC at an angle 45 degree greater than critical angle of glass air interface. So it is internally reflected. Now, अब ये use कहाँ होते हैं? These are used to deviate light ray through 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and to make inverted image erect. ये 90 डिग्री या 180 डिग्री से लाइट रे को डेविएट कर सकते हैं और ऐसे प्रिज्म को हम एक ऐसी इमेज जो कि इन्वर्टेड हो उसको इरेक्ट करने के लिए भी यूज किया जा सकता है. Now let's do first deviation through 90 degree. Check here. This ray P is incident at face AB normally. So it will move further without deviation and will be incident at face C at point D. Now by geometry, this angle of incidence when I draw normal at point D is 45 degree. And this I is greater than 42 degree. 42 degree क्या है? Critical angle. So angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. So it is this ray is internally reflected like this. Similarly, P dash is internally reflected. अगर मेरे पास ये कैंडल है PP dash, तो P से जो रे गई it comes out as Q. P dash से जो रे गई it comes out as Q dash. What I find? PP dash and QQ dash are at 90 degree. So here ray of light is deviated through 90 degree. Now come to deviation through 180 degrees. ये कहाँ यूज होता है? अरेंजमेंट इन प्रिज्म बाइनोकुलर्स. इसमें क्या होगा? द प्रिज्म इज प्लेस्ड लाइक दिस एंड रे लेट दिस Q इज इंसिडेंट एट फेस AP. सबसे पहले वो AC पे फॉल करेगी नॉर्मली. विदाउट डेविएशन इट विल मूव टू फेस AB and will be incident at point D. Geometry से यहाँ भी angle of incidence is 45 degree greater than 42 degree. 42 degree क्या है यहाँ? Critical angle. So I is greater than critical angle. So it will be internally reflected and will be incident at face BC at point E. Again, it is falling at an angle of incidence greater than critical angle. It will be internally reflected, totally internally reflected as EQ dash. तो ये Q का इमेज हमें क्या मिलेगा? Q dash. Similarly, P will also undergo total internal reflection twice and we will get image of P as P dash. What we find? The angle between this QP and P dash Q dash is 180 degrees. So it is showing division of light ray by 180 degrees. Third application of such prisms is to have erect image of an inverted object. मेरे पास कोई ऑब्जेक्ट इन्वर्टेड है yx, यानी कैंडल उल्टी पड़ी हुई है, x उसका टिप है और y क्या है उसका बेस. When it is placed in front of isosceles right angle glass prism, तो क्या हो रहा है, जब y से ray of light travel करेगी, it will be falling at AB, will undergo refraction, will be incident at face AC at point B. देखिए ये इस तरह से गई. अब यहाँ पे by geometry angle of incidence is 45 degree greater than critical angle. So it will undergo total internal reflection and will move out from this BC phase after refraction at point E. तो हमें ये y का इमेज कहाँ मिला, y dash. Similarly, tip of the candle जो कि x है, x will also travel like this. Just check this path. It will be falling at face AB at point, let it is H. It will undergo refraction. Then it will be falling at AC at point F at an angle greater than critical angle. It will be internally reflected and will be incident on face BC at point G and will come out through BC after refraction, and we will get X dash. But we find Yx is like this, and now we are getting its image through prism as like this. So this was inverted, now this is erect. In this way, erect image can be obtained of inverted object using totally reflecting prism. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe my channel.